Hi everyone, I'm Márcia Bonfim, responsible for the Song Activity Factory blog. Welcome to today's video tutorial, where I will explore an exciting and unique way to foster critical thinking and engagement in your English classes. Are you ready to make learning English more enjoyable and interactive for your students? Let's dive in! By incorporating songs in your English lessons, you can create a dynamic learning environment that offers numerous benefits. This approach not only makes learning English more enjoyable, but also promotes problem-solving, collaboration, and language fluency. In addition, it encourages students to think critically and creatively, helping them to become more effective communicators. So, how do we use songs to achieve these goals? Stay tuned to find out. Now, let's talk about song selection. For this tutorial, I've chosen Fake Plastic Trees by Radiohead as my example. It is essential to pick a song with a storyline or a problem to solve, as this will be the foundation for our critical thinking activity. Selecting a song with a clear narrative or a conflict is crucial, because it provides a context for your students to engage in critical thinking and problem solving. Songs with rich lyrics and themes can spark discussions, debates, and creative thinking among your students. For our chosen song, Fake Plastic Trees, the lyrics touch on topics such as the struggle to find genuine connection and happiness in this materialistic society, superficial relationships, and the pressure to conform to societal expectations. Now that we have our song, let's move on to the next step, analyzing the lyrics and identifying the problem presented in the song. Before we dive into the challenge, let's take a moment to analyze the lyrics of Fake Plastic Trees by Radiohead. I encourage you to listen to the song before proceeding with this tutorial. You can find the lyrics in the video description below. As you listen, pay close attention to the lyrics and the problem or conflict they present. You can pause the video and then we come back. Now that you've had the chance to listen to the song, let's briefly discuss the lyrics. The song speaks of a world filled with superficiality, where people struggle to find genuine connections and happiness amidst a materialistic society. The lyrics mention fake plastic trees and fake plastic love as examples of this superficial world. The singer expresses a sense of disillusionment and a desire to escape from the inauthenticity that surrounds him. Phrases like, "She looks like the real thing," "She tastes like the real thing," and "If I could be who you wanted all the time," further emphasize the struggle to find authenticity and genuine connections in a world that values appearance over substance. With this understanding of the song's problem or conflict, we can now move on to creating a challenge for our students that will encourage them to engage in critical thinking and problem solving, using the themes presented in Fake Plastic Trees. This activity will explore the problem of finding genuine connections and happiness in a world focused on materialism and superficial relationships. Follow these steps for the challenge. Divide your class into small groups of 3 to 4 students. In each group, assign roles to the students. One person will play the role of someone who is struggling to find genuine connections and happiness amidst a materialistic society, while the other group members will play the roles of friends or family members with different perspectives on the issue. The person playing the role of the individual struggling to find genuine connections will share their concerns and feelings about living in a superficial world by using lines from the song, such as, "A town full of rubber plants to get rid of itself." The other group members will listen and offer advice and solutions based on their perspectives, using ideas and themes from the lyrics too. To further guide the role play, provide students with some discussion prompts inspired by the song lyrics. After the role-play activity, have each group share their insights and solutions with the class. Encourage students to reflect on the experience, discussing how the lyrics of Fake Plastic Trees helped them explore the problem of finding genuine connections and happiness in a materialistic world. This challenge will not only enhance their critical thinking and problem-solving skills, but also allow them to relate the song to real-life issues. Well, thank you for joining me today in this video tutorial on using songs to foster critical thinking in English classes. I hope you found this helpful and inspiring, and that you're excited to try out this activity with your students using Fake Plastic Trees by Radiohead, or any other song that presents a problem or a conflict. For more song-based lesson plan ideas and activities, be sure to visit songactivityfactory.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more innovative ways to engage our students in the English learning process. Until next time, and happy teaching!